Hello everyone, and in this video, I'm going to unbox this 1/64th scale Ferrari 365 GTB4 Daytona from Kyosho. This is kind of like a model kit where you have to assemble the car yourself. As always, Kyosho has left a thank you note on the tab here. So here's the car which I'll now assemble. As you can see, there are only a few parts to be assembled. Here's the semi-assembled body. I'm going to start off the build by doing the interior first, and that's by installing the seats. And with that, the interior is complete and you can see that it is quite well detailed. The dashboard and the steering wheel look really nice and you can see the various gauges on the dashboard as well. The door cards are really well detailed and those are the seats which I've installed now. The front and the rear tires are separate, and I'm going to start off with the front one now. Since this is an old model, the tire rod has become rusted, but it's not a problem as it's not going to be visible when it's assembled. The wheels and tires themselves look really nice. I'm going to do the rear tires now. So here are the fully assembled wheels, and both the front and rear wheels almost look similar. The wheels have been attached to the chassis and it looks really nice. So this is the body shell and this is how it looks like from inside. The two smaller screws are used to attach the chassis to the car and the longer one is used to attach the car to the base. So here's the fully assembled model and it looks really nice and both the front and rear wheels roll freely. The chassis is well detailed and you can see most of the parts from here, but there is no silver paint on the exhaust system. So here's the base, and I have to remove this plastic piece here which held the car in place earlier so that I can screw the car to the base. And with that, this small build is complete. So moving on to the details of the car, the front is really well detailed, the headlights and the Ferrari logo on the grille look really nice. The chrome on the bumper looks really nice even though it's an old model. There's a Pininfarina logo on the front fender. These wheels look really good on the car. The back is again really well detailed and you can see that there's the Ferrari logo on top of the boot lid. The rear bumpers again look really nice. I'm going to skip the interior as I've shown it to you earlier. So that's all for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you later.